Just believe me, don't watch.
Dad, is that a Mickey Mouse t-shirt?
Yes! Tonight, on Unsolved Mysteries, I caught the COVID-19! Where's my ass?
Danny, what do you want for breakfast?
Dear.
What?
Oh, fuck you! Dear.
What?
Oh, that's Toto. I don't really like that.
Don't talk shit about Toto!
Dom DeLuise. He used to be a chef on TV.
I want to touch his dick!
Now the winning pick 4 numbers. 0,
Ass!
0,
Ass!
0,
Ass!
0. The 5 numbers. 0,
Piss!
0.
Holy shit! Where's the house?
Over here, Dad, in this bag.
Throw over here! Ouch! Fuck! Who gives a big of a shit foot? I love my grandma Janelle, sweetest person in the entire world, and God bless her. 93 years old, you only turn ass. Fuck you! Fuck the phone! I sting! No, not the beast! Not the beast! Sting! Oh! Sting! 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 Uh-huh. Are you shitting me? Fuck Widow! Update!
I'll kick you in the face.
Bitch! I love you!
Why don't you
Eat my ass! Or cock! We're gonna fuck or what? Wanna see a big black dick? Oh, hate gays. Ow! Fuck! Ow! Get! Ow! Get! Where's my pants? It's about 10 minutes ago. Guy tried to break in my ass. I was in the car taking a shit! I want a biggie friggy. And give me some piss! To drink! Holy shit! Fuck! Asshole!
Sorry.
Combs! W as in where's the paper towels? P as in pissed off Puerto Rican. C as in fucking taking a shit. B as in bitch. P as in sperm. G as in god. Damn it, these fish sticks are hard as tits. J as in Josh. Eat my shit. I'd like to squeeze my ass. Go. Who the hell is Rick ass? Holy the fuck! What is this shit? Kiss my ass!
Dad's on the floor.
Shit, this is what?